Have you ever stopped to wonder how the digital age is revolutionizing the retail sector? This isn't just a question of curiosity. It's a glimpse into a rapidly evolving landscape where technology is not just an add-on, but a vital cog in the retail machine. Let's talk about digital transformation, a buzzword you've probably heard thrown around in business circles. But what does it really mean? At its core, digital transformation is the integration of digital technology into all areas of a business. It's a foundational change that alters how businesses operate and deliver value to their customers. Now imagine this concept applied to the retail industry, an industry that thrives on customer interaction and satisfaction. The digital transformation in retail isn't just about swapping out old cash registers for shiny new self-checkout kiosks. It's about reimagining the entire shopping experience. It's about creating a seamless blend of the physical and digital worlds, where customers can shop online from a desktop at home, or scan barcodes in store with their smartphones, or get personalized recommendations based on their shopping habits. The digital revolution in retail is reshaping the way businesses operate. It's driving retailers to rethink their strategies, to be more agile, to embrace innovation, and above all, to keep the customer at the heart of everything they do. But as with any significant shift, it's not without its challenges. Businesses need to navigate the tricky waters of data security and privacy, manage the change in organizational culture, and ensure that their digital strategy aligns with their overall business goals. It's a complex process, and it's easy to get lost in the digital labyrinth. Yet despite the challenges, the potential rewards are immense. Digital transformation offers retailers the chance to engage with their customers in new and exciting ways, improve operational efficiency, and stay ahead in a fiercely competitive market. Every change brings new opportunities, but also new challenges. Let's dive into some real-life examples. And as we do, let's remember that the journey of digital transformation is not a sprint, but a marathon, filled with twists, turns, and the occasional hurdle. But for those willing to embrace the change, the finish line promises a world of opportunities. Think about how Amazon Go has redefined the shopping experience with its cashierless stores. Imagine a world where you walk into a store, pick up what you need, and simply walk out, all while avoiding the dreaded checkout line. Sounds like a scene from a futuristic movie, right? Well, not anymore thanks to Amazon Go. Amazon Go is a revolutionary concept that has taken the retail industry by storm. It's a prime example of how technology can be leveraged to streamline the shopping process, creating an entirely new retail experience. At the heart of Amazon Go's business model is a complex web of technologies: artificial intelligence, computer vision, and sensor fusion, to name a few. These technologies work in harmony to track what items customers pick up or return to the shelves, and the virtual shopping cart is updated in real time. When customers are done shopping, they can simply leave the store. The total is then charged to their Amazon account, and a receipt is sent to the app. It's as seamless as it gets. This innovative approach has had a profound impact on the retail industry. It's pushing retailers to rethink their strategies and invest in digital technologies to stay competitive. The traditional shopping model is being disrupted, and retailers who fail to adapt risk becoming obsolete. But it's not just about the technology. Amazon Go is also about understanding customer behavior and preferences. By collecting data on what customers buy and when, Amazon can provide a personalized shopping experience, which is a key element in today's retail landscape. Of course, this new model is not without its challenges. There are concerns about job losses and privacy issues, but if done right, the benefits can outweigh the risks. It's all about striking the right balance. In the end, Amazon Go is more than just a cashierless store. It's a testament to the power of digital transformation and a glimpse into the future of retail. It's about creating new and better ways to serve customers, and that's what retail should always strive for. This example clearly shows how digital transformation can create new retail experiences. But what about the risks and opportunities that come with such a transformation? As we delve into this digital revolution, it's crucial to consider the risks that hitch a ride with the benefits. The first one that springs to mind is privacy concerns. In a world where personal data is the new oil, ensuring the privacy of consumers is paramount. Digital transformation often involves collecting and analyzing vast amounts of personal information to create those hyper-personalized experiences we all enjoy. But this creates a veritable goldmine for cybercriminals, leading to the second significant risk: Data breaches. As businesses become more reliant on digital platforms and data, they become more susceptible to cyber attacks. These breaches can lead to significant financial losses and damage to brand reputation. But let's not forget the opportunities that digital transformation presents. It's not all doom and gloom. Far from it. The potential benefits are transformative, to say the least. One of the most exciting is the ability to offer personalized shopping experiences. Imagine walking into a store where the products, offers, and services are all tailored to your tastes and preferences. That's not a far-off dream. That's a reality made possible by digital transformation. Moreover, digital transformation brings about increased efficiency. By automating routine tasks and leveraging data analytics, businesses can streamline their operations, save time, and reduce costs. This not only leads to improved profitability, but also frees up staff to focus on tasks that require a human touch, such as customer service and strategizing. And let's not forget the opportunity to reach a global audience. With digital platforms, businesses aren't confined to their geographical locations. They can reach customers across the globe, opening up new markets and opportunities for growth. So, as you can see, the risks and opportunities of digital transformation are like two sides of the same coin. It's about striking the right balance, ensuring robust security measures are in place while harnessing the power of digital technologies to enhance the customer experience and drive business growth. It's a delicate balance, isn't it? To seize the opportunities while mitigating the risks. The foundation of a successful digital transformation lies in a solid enterprise architecture. Now let's delve into what that actually means. Enterprise architecture is akin to the blueprint of a building. It's a comprehensive framework that provides an overview of an organization's key business processes, IT software, data, and hardware. Just as architects use blueprints to align a building's design with its purpose, enterprise architects use enterprise architecture to align an organization's IT strategy with its business objectives. You see, in the digital age, businesses can no longer afford to have their IT and business strategies operate in silos. They need to be intertwined, working towards a common goal. That's where enterprise architecture comes into play. It acts as a bridge, connecting these two crucial aspects of any business. So how does this play into digital transformation? Well, imagine attempting to build a skyscraper without a blueprint. It would be chaotic, wouldn't it? The same goes for digital transformation. Without a clear enterprise architecture, a company would struggle to understand how to change its existing IT systems and processes to achieve its digital goals. Consider a retail company that wants to implement a new customer relationship management system. Without a clear enterprise architecture, the company might fail to understand how this new system will interact with its existing IT infrastructure, leading to inefficiencies and potential system failures. But with a robust enterprise architecture, the company can see how all its systems interact, enabling it to plan and implement its new system effectively. The result? A smoother digital transformation process and a higher likelihood of achieving its digital objectives. In essence, enterprise architecture is the unsung hero of digital transformation. It's the guiding light that helps companies navigate the complex journey of transforming their businesses in the digital age. So, if you're embarking on a digital transformation, don't overlook the importance of enterprise architecture. It's not just a nice to have, it's a must-have. Without a robust enterprise architecture, a digital transformation might not yield the desired results. So, what can go wrong during a digital transformation? A fair question, and one that deserves an honest answer. Let's delve into some of the common pitfalls that businesses often stumble upon during their digital journey. First up, the lack of a clear strategy. It's like setting sail without a compass. You might have the most advanced ship, but without a clear direction, you're likely to drift aimlessly. A well-defined digital strategy aligned with your business goals is the rudder that steers your transformation voyage towards success. Another common mistake is ignoring customer needs. In the race to embrace digital, some businesses lose sight of who they're doing it for, their customers. Remember, technology is just a tool to enhance the customer experience, not the other way around. Then, there's the oversight of underestimating resource requirements. Digital transformation isn't just about buying new software or gadgets. It's a holistic shift that impacts your entire organization. It requires significant investments in terms of time, skills, and finances. Underestimating these requirements can lead to overpromises and underdeliveries. Lastly, let's talk about resistance to change. It's human nature to resist the unfamiliar, and digital transformation brings a lot of that. Businesses often underestimate the importance of managing this change and helping their people adapt to the new ways of working. Now, some concluding thoughts. Digital transformation in the retail sector is about more than just technology. It's about reimagining how businesses operate and customers shop. It's about breaking the mold, not just replacing old systems with new ones. It's about creating seamless experiences for customers, whether they're shopping online from a mobile device or in-store with the help of digital tools. In the end, digital transformation in the retail sector is not just about adopting new technologies, but about changing the way businesses operate and customers shop. It's a journey that requires careful planning, strategic thinking, and a customer-centric approach.